Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. We're getting ready to head out to town, do some nosing around, see if we can make any new discoveries, I guess. Revisit some old places and check out some new places maybe. Dogs are bumming out, they know we're getting ready to leave, so hang out with us and let's go see what's going on in Alaminos City. What do you think, hon? You warm? Is it hot enough for you today?
I get ready for 2 bottles because he said he asked me to go to Jollibee Market.
Yeah. Well, we got some shade now, so. It's a beautiful day here in Alaminos City. We're on the west end of town, walking further west. I think there's some new stuff going on up here, so that's why we're gonna kind of meander up into this area and see what's going on basically over at the bypass road. This is where we bought our Kubo, and Kuya is there. So we got to talk to them guys soon and have them come out and re-beautify our Kubo. God, this is just a beautiful day out here. So it's definitely hot, but it's doable. Just drink plenty of water.
can still walk.
She can still walk.
And then I have my fun
Yep.
using this USMC.
USMC, there you go. That'll take care of you. Wear a USMC baseball cap and you're good to go. People will definitely know how cool you are. What's this, Marvel's Rusto Bar? What's that all about? Now this used to be what, like a little hotel or something, didn't it?
I think there's rooms behind.
Yeah, I think Roger told me that that expats used to hang out here. And here we have the friendly neighborhood tricycle drivers, right? Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going, guys? Now check this out. A Jollibee, another one.
Still on queue. They're still on queue.
Today is the grand opening of the second Jollibee here in Alaminos City. How about that, huh? Now, if you like Jollibee, you'll appreciate this.
Okay.
You know, so basically people coming in from the west, Agno,
So cool.
Bunny, Boino, then you're going to be welcomed with
They start at 6 a.m.
you're going to be welcomed to Alaminos City with the Jollibee Restaurant, the new one. So let's kind of like take a peek. I'm not going to go in, but we'll definitely walk around.
What's up, man?
Hey, sir, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
Not bad. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
You would think we known each other for like ever. Never seen him in my life. So we actually have a straight up, no kidding drive-through with 2.50 meter vertical clearance. That's probably higher than the Finelco power lines around town here. A little jab at Finelco there. I like doing that. Looks like a nice new restaurant. Yeah, packed full. Now, would have I rather seen a Chow King here? Yes, definitely.
Find a seat for now.
Well, there you have it. Brand new Jollibee in Alaminos City, west end of town on Highway 307. So if you're in the mood for Jollibee, have at it. That's looking back into town. That blue tower over there is the water building. Of course, right to the right of that is the church, if you can see that far on this video. Hope you can. And then we continue walking towards Alongapo Highway and Palamas. Yeah, we're still out here on the bypass road and we come upon this. Isn't that something? People just, I don't know what the heck. I can't explain this, guys. This is garbage. This is freaking garbage. Look at this. At first I thought it was bags of rice from a distance, but no, that's garbage. Wow. Just wow. Okay, we're down here at the other end of the bypass road coming in to Palamas and Longapo Highway area. And look what we got here. Right here on the right side, we got some new construction. This was not here, well, 6 months ago, a year ago. EJR Wet Market. So, I'm gonna head over there. Yeah. Let's go investigate. Hurry, babe. Trying to get across that road before the truck comes. So we'll just do a walk by. Hey, how are you doing? Good. We're just walking around. It's a nice day for a walk. Hold on, we'll pick this up in a second. Okay, we had to stop and do a little bit of chit-chatting with the friendly neighborhood, what do you say, wet market vendor. we know her when she was over at Suki. When she was over at Suki Market, we used to buy. What did we buy from her? Fish. Oh, okay. So let me see. I'm going to move out here a little bit. You can walk in the shade, hon, if you want. I'm just going to stand from a distance, so. Yeah. We know the person that owns this store here. Boma RTW store. So we know two people that are currently doing business out in this new wet market mall type building. Yeah, this just opened up, what, 6 months ago?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just guessing. About 6 months ago would be a good guess, I think. Yeah, so this is all new, definitely. Let's snoop over in this area. Yep. I have no reason to go inside, but we'll walk over into that area. You know, coming around the back of this, I think there's some more bays that they built for vendors, I believe. Yeah, so there is a backside here. Food court. Well, at least it looks like it's probably going to be a food court, not quite in full operation yet. And then looks like more stuff back there maybe. And then another new 7-Eleven, as if we needed another 7-Eleven, huh? What's that, hon?
New brands of the Calipo Potato that they have been at the other side.
What's it called?
Calipo Potato.
Oh, okay. So we have 7-Elevens and Jollibees all over the place. All right, what's next, hon? Yep, I agree. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick dip into Chow King for some lunch, and then we'll continue this. We'll continue this journey in a few. Okay, well, lunch was good. Now we got to go find a couple things, as in some lettuce and some bananas, and then we'll be done. Excuse me. We have found the lettuce. Yeah, this location here in Nipo Market is where we usually get our vegetables. They're on the level pretty much, so they know me and they don't try to mess with the prices when they see me coming with my wife. So we're about done here. Now we're gonna go after the bananas. That's where I usually kind of hide out in the corner because we don't really know them very well. And we don't want them to take advantage of us when they see me coming. Hey guys, how you doing? Let's go say hi. Hey gentlemen, how are you doing today? Yeah, they took off. That's okay. Huh? Oh, hold on, I better pause for a minute. Okay, well, the fun continues. I'm gonna hide out over here while she goes. There she goes. She's gonna go grab some bananas, hopefully. Did you get your bananas? Let's see what you got, hon. Oh, look at that. What did that run for that whole bundle?
185.
185 pesos. That's pretty cool. All right, well, we're about done here. We got our lettuce, we got our bananas, we ate our lunch. Now we're gonna get in this tricycle and we're gonna start headed out.
I want that orchid. Can we go back?
She wants that orchid. Well, we can come back if you want. Oh, tomorrow? All right.
Dito na lang din sa labas.
Well, that was fun. we're still making our way back to the house. It's hot out today, man. Holy crap. Today and yesterday. Woo. Alright. Let's take a little walk.
This other.
Little sorry store over there. Where are we at here? Anton's Grocery Market. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to kind of, let me turn this around here. Just wanted to kind of give you a quick peek at what's going on out there. A couple new things. You know, the Jollibee, I wasn't really expecting to see that. Not really. Mainly because we already have one here. So I didn't think they were going to pop another one up. But then again, I guess you can't be too surprised. They have, how many 7-Elevens do we got now in Alaminos City?
3.
3, 1, 2, 4. 4 7-Elevens. So I guess it shouldn't be no surprise that there's at least 2 Jollibees, right? So what's next?
Alaminos is improving.
Yeah, it's improving slowly but surely. There's still some things that I could think of. Kenny Rogers. Yes.
SM City.
SM City, there you go, there's another one. Robinson's movie theater. We still don't have anything like that here. There's a ton of things that we could definitely have here, but oh well, little by little. I mean, that's part of what makes Alaminos City what it is, right? Kind of quiet. Not a lot of traffic. Well, yeah, I'd be lying if I said that, so I'll take that back. There is a lot of traffic in Alaminos City. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go take refuge in our house, get away from this heat for a few, and hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, morning, night, wherever you are. And once again, we really look forward to seeing you again next time, and thank you so very much for watching this video. Really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you again soon. Okay, all right, later guys. Bye bye.